So welcome to today's lesson on customizing your Windows desktop, which is actually in our week 2 of Windows Operating System Essentials. We'll explore various ways to make your computer uniquely yours and improve productivity. So today what we'll be looking at customizing your desktop isn't just about how it looks. It can significantly improve your workflow and make your computer feel more like your own personal workspace. So when you hear desktop, the conventional desktop is actually a desk that belongs to you. So when you come, you can actually arrange it the way you like. So same as actually customizing your desktop. So when you customize your desktop on a PC, it means you are setting your system in the way you like, and which is actually works with the way you actually work, and it actually increase your workflow. So let's start with the basics. Yeah, your desktop background sets the tone for your workspace, which Windows offers various options to suit your preference. So for you to change your desktop background, mostly Windows 11 computer, you right click on the desktop and click on personalize. Then you choose the kind of you choose personalize, you choose picture you want to use to change your desktop. You can choose solid color if you want to use normal color, or you want to use slideshow. You can use whichever of these works. Then you have the select fit, which select whether you want to fill the image, or you want to fit it, or you want to stretch it, or put it as a tile, or center it, or also span. So these are some features you can actually fit your wallpaper or the image you are choosing to set as your background. Then the start menu is your gateway to your computer. So customizing it saves your time and makes accessing your favorite apps much easier. So you can actually customize your start menu by resizing the start menu, pin and unpin apps, organize app types into groups, then customize live ties. So this is actually what you can do on your start menu by customizing it. Then you have your taskbar, which is actually your prime real estate on your screen. Let's look at how to make it work best for you. So on the taskbar, you can actually uh, pin and unpin apps to your taskbar. You can actually rearrange the taskbar icons. You can hide or show your taskbar on multiple displays. You can also adjust your taskbar settings by using auto hide, the size feature, the size of it, make it bigger or smaller. And you can also choose location. Mostly works on Windows 11, where you can choose whether you want it to be centered or left, which is the normal conventional Windows experience. Then the desktop icons. Desktop icons provide quick access to your files and programs. We'll explore how to manage them efficiently. So your desktop icons actually works those icons on your desktop. So you can actually show or hide your desktop icons. You can actually add or remove default system icons that comes with your system. You can also create custom shortcuts on your desktop and also organize icons, which is you can auto arrange them, you can align them to grid. So we'll be looking at all those features later. We have a separate video to a practical to cover all we have talked about. Then proper display settings can actually reduce eye strain and improve your overall computing experience, especially if you are using multiple monitors. So what are those display settings you can actually work on? You can work on your screen resolution. You can actually scale, and you can actually adjust the scale, whether is it 100 times 100, is it 100%, 200%, 150%. You can actually adjust that. You can actually also the layout. So you can choose the layout. Your screen is it landscape, is it portrait, is it reversed landscape, reversed, or portrait reversed. Then you can choose multiple display setup. You can set up how it will look like on multiple displays. Then also you can actually set up night light settings, which I use most of the time. I'll also be showing you guys in the practical section how it works. So you can set up your night light settings on your Windows computer. Then themes and colors. This allows you to create a cohesive look across all your Windows environment. So let's see how you can apply and customize them. You can actually apply pre-built themes, which allows you to change the look and feel of your whole Windows environment. Then you can actually create custom themes. That means you can actually go online, download Microsoft Windows themes and install, or you can go to the App Store, the Windows Store, Microsoft Store, and download some themes. Then you can actually choose the kind of color a theme can apply. You can choose the asset color. Then also you can actually have light or dark mode turned on. So you can usually use light mode or dark mode feature on your Windows screen. Then don't forget about audio. So customizing your audio settings can make notification more pleasant and help you focus. So what are those audio settings you can do? If you look over here, you can actually change the system sound. The way the system makes sound, you can actually change it. You can customize your sound scheme. How does your sound works? And also you can adjust the volumes, the audio volume levels for different apps. So you can actually increase the volume for each apps. Even on your notification, you can actually increase the volume sound on your notification. These are more you can actually do on your Windows audio sound settings. Then Windows offers various accessibility features that can be helpful for all users, not just those with specific need. So you have high contrast theme, which actually for those that have impaired vision. You have magnifier, which for those that actually don't see tiny things, you can use magnifier. You have color filters to filter color, and also narrator, which helps to read for especially those that are visually impaired. They can actually use narrator to read what is on the screen for them to guide them through. So these are some accessibility feature that is on the Windows. Then now it's your turn actually to practicalize. You can take your time to go through and apply what you have actually learned to create your desktop environment that works for you. I'll also be doing a practice exercise because I don't want to make this video long. I want to make it short so that you will not be bored. So I'll be doing a video practical exercise on how to customize your desktop that covers all we have talked about. So try yours and check out ours and see whether it actually works with well or is there any similar things. I would also like to see yours. If you are done, you can actually share us a link to the Google Drive where you hosted it, and we would love to see what you guys have created. So remember, there is no size fit to all approach customization. So feel free to experiment what works best for you. There is no size that is best. There is no one that is this is the best. So everything are different. So you just have to choose one that works for you. I will choose what works for me. Then you choose actually what works for you. I will be glad to see what you guys experimented and see your own approach to your desktop customization. I'm actually open for questions. If you have any questions, comment, you can drop in the comment section, or you drop it on the Google Classroom and stream. We will respond to it promptly. Thank you and see you in our next class.